Ivanka Trump's actions are becoming more and more important in New York Attorney General Letitia James' tax fraud case against the family business. James has filed a $250 million lawsuit against the former president, three of his children Ivanka, Donald Trump Jr., and Eric Trump, as well as two top Trump Organization officials, alleging that the real estate firm overstated or understated the value of several assets in order to benefit financially. While it makes sense that the former president is the main subject of the civil proceedings, his eldest daughter has also drawn attention to the matter, even receiving special attention from James' office for her alleged lack of compliance with the law. James' office asked New York Judge Arthur Engoron to get involved in the case in a letter in April, claiming that the defendants in the Trump Organization hadn't provided the required information and documents as part of the discovery process in a timely and transparent fashion. The more significant issues in the Trump family's inadequate response to the discovery process, according to James' office, included an explanation for the unexplained drop-off in emails for Ivanka Trump between 2014 and 2017. Ivanka sent an average of 1,218 emails per month in the first 9 months of 2014, according to James' office. With an average of 242 emails per day through December 2015, this number dropped to 299 emails in October 2014. According to James' office, Ivanka only sent an average of 37 emails per month in 2016. The Attorney General's office informed Judge Engoron in a letter dated April 25 that Ms. Trump has not produced any documents to this inquiry, in addition to defendants failing to offer any substantive response to this inquiry. In response, Engoron gave the Trump family until May 12 to turn over all pending discovery requests for documents and communications, and until May 15 to submit a compliance affidavit swearing under oath that they had complied with the law by turning over the requested information. After the eldest daughter of the former president took steps to distance herself from the rest of her family in the case, Ivanka Trump has come into sharp focus in James' lawsuit. She also changed the legal counsel who was defending her in the lawsuit. Ivanka requested a delay in the civil trial in March so that she could plan her defense independently, claiming that she was not a party to the allegations that were the basis for the case. Ivanka Trump's attorneys stated in court documents that James' fraud claim does not contain a single allegation that Ms. Trump directly or indirectly created, prepared, reviewed, or certified any of her father's financial statements, adding that other individuals were responsible for those tasks. The documents seem to imply that her father and brothers were the ones who allegedly gave their approval to the false financial statements. Ivanka, who left the Trump Organization in 2017 to join her father's White House administration, separated herself from the rest of her family in the $250 million lawsuit, according to attorney and legal political analyst Andrew Lieb, who called it a smart move. It is not a sign that Ivanka is going to blame her family that she claims she has a special defense to the fraud case brought against her family, because the lawsuit doesn't even claim she lied about the company's finances because she left the company in 2017. Instead, it's a sign that she isn't boarding the bus, regardless of whether it crashes, Lee previously told Newsweek. Ivanka Kushner is using the wise and proper course of action, and it shows that her husband Jared Kushner's attorneys are competent in the courtroom. Ivanka split with the lawyers she previously shared with her brothers, Clifford Robert and Michael Farina, and replaced them, appointing Bennett Moskowitz as her sole attorney on the case, which was another indication that she is preparing to present a different defense to her family during the upcoming civil trial. In response to Ivanka hiring her own attorneys as part of James' lawsuit, Laura Trump, the wife of Eric Trump, recently refuted claims that there was a rift between the Trump siblings. Laura Trump told the Daily Mail, "I think people are trying to make that a bigger deal than it really is. It's uncommon to have to deal with everything that my husband and his siblings do." Ivanka Trump announced that she and her husband will not participate in her father's 2024 presidential campaign or return to the administration should Trump win the presidency again. This prompted the decision.